Hello everyone, welcome back with Onshape basic 3D modeling tutorial for exercise number 3. Okay, click create new drawing. I will click a document and we set it into exercise 3. Click create public document. We're waiting to open drawing area on Onshape software. Now in here you can select this top plan and click sketch. Click top view. I will draw rectangle start from this point. Set for length into 88 and for width 64. Click OK. Use extrude tools to convert this sketch into 3D. For depth set 75. OK. Select this face and click sketch. I will draw rectangle in here. We set dimension for length 25 and for width for 38. The next I will draw rectangle start from this point to here and create again from this point to the top. Set for distance between these two line objects 16, also in here 16. The next distance from this point to the bottom here, set 20, and in the top we set into 44. You can select this constraint and press delete button to be automatically delete. And now I will use trim command to cut this line object. Click OK. Now use extrude tools to select this face. I will use a remove and for depth set into 48. Click OK. The next you can click sketch in here and active by visibility at this icon to be shown in these drawings. Use extrude again and use a remove tools. Select this face. For depth 25. Click OK. Now select this face. In the top face, click sketch. I will draw rectangle in the corner here. Set for dimension 16 and also 16. We create again rectangle from this point into here and then from this point into here. I will trim this line object and set for distance between these two lines 16. Also in here we set into 16. Distance from this point into here 15, and the next from this point into here 16. Click OK. Use extrude tools again and change into remove. Select this face. Set for depth 25. Click OK. You also can hide this origin. Okay, you can click here to hide top view, front and right plane. And now we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 3 with Onshape software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.